Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will do review exercise. So here I have written some questions so that I can tell you, I can show you here how to do. As we have done exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, so there is no need of explanation because review exercise is just the conclusion part of all the exercise. In this exercise you will able to see all the concepts together. Okay, the questions will be there of all the concepts together. So but still I thought that I should show one two question solution so that it will be easy for you. So here I have chosen question number 3. In this three sets are given a 1 2 3 5 8 and b 2 3 9 8 and c 1 3 8. So first we are supposed to find out a intersection c. A intersection C means the element which is common in A as well as in C. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 1, 3, 8. So which one elements are common? 1, 3 and 8. So first one answer will be what? 1, 3, 8. Now second one is what? A union B intersection C. So in this type of situation, what you will do first, you solve the bracket and then you will move forward. Like we were doing in according to the board mass, you are supposed to do the first multiplication and then addition subtraction. So similarly here, first we will do this and then we will move towards the another part. So B intersection C is what means elements which are common in B as well as in C. So 2, 3, 9, 8. Just see here which elements are common. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are common. Now A union. What is your A? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. In union means what? You are supposed to write all the elements. Okay. So A union A is what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 3 is already there. 5, 8. 8 is also already there. Okay. You have to write overall. You are not allowed to repeat the numbers. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This is your A union B intersection C. Now let's have a look on third one. In this you can see here two brackets. So first we will write two brackets separately and then we will solve. Okay. So first we will find out here A union B and then we will find out here A union C. So what is A union B? All elements of A and B. That is 1, 2, 2 is already here. Okay, we will not write again. 3, 3 is also there. 5, 9 and 8. Okay, so like this you will write. So A union B will be what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 9 is in B. Okay, so we will include 9 also because all elements. A union C, all elements of A and C. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. If 1 is also there, 3 also there and 8 also there. So you will not write again this. Okay, it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Now according to the question, they are asking intersection. Intersection. Okay, intersection of these two. So anything is common in these two brackets? Can you find out? Can you figure out? 1, 2, 1, 2 is common. 3, 5, 3, 5 is also common. 8. So what are common? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 9 is not there. So it is not common. So see how easily we have solved this question number third. Now let's move on this another question. This is question number 6. In this universal set is given that x is equals to 2n multiples of 2 where n belongs to natural numbers and they have given the boundary that we are supposed to take the values of n 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because equal less than 10 and greater than 3. So we are supposed to take n only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is this, B is this. A union B complement. First, let's write the all elements of this universal set. Okay. So it will be what? 2 into 2, 3 can we include? 2 is to 3, 6. 2 is to 4, 8. 2 is to 5, 10. 2 is to 6, 12. 2 is to 7, 14. 2 is to 8, 16. 2, 9, 18. 2, 10, 20. Till here we can take. Okay, I have put the value of n in this and then I have written all the in roasted form, only the outcomes. Now A union B complement. First of all, for finding out the complement, you should know what is A union B. So first find out the A union B. What is A union B? All elements of A and B. 8, 12, 16. Okay, 12 is also repeating, 16 is also repeating. So we will write here 8, 12, 16. Now take this 6, 12 already we have written, 16 already we have written, 8 also we have, this is 18 and 20. Okay, so this will your A and B. Now complement means what? Except these elements, but we should know universal set to which set we will compare. So we will compare with the universal set. So 8 is there, so we will not write in complement A union B dash. A union B dash means what? All elements except this, except A union B. Elements except A union B. So 8 is also there, 10 is there, no. 12, yes, 12 is also there, so we will not write 12. 14 is there, not. 16 is there, 18 is also there, and 20 is also there. So what numbers are left? Only 6, 10, 14. These number you will write. The complement will be what? This. A union B complement will be this. And in this third part, A complement union B complement mean this. First we will find out the A complement, and then we will find out the B complement, and then we will take out the union. What will be the A complement? All the element except 8, 12, 16. So you look your universal set. 6, 8 you will not write because it is already there in this. Okay, 6, 10, 12 is also there, you will not write. 14, 16 is also there, so you will not write. 18 and 20, this is your A complement. Now what will be your B complement? B complement means except 6, 6 is there in this, yes. 12 is also there, 16 is also there, 18 is also there, 20 is also there. So what, which number is not there? Only I think 10 and 14. So you will write here 10 and 14. Now you are supposed to find out the union. Union means what? All elements. So you will write all elements. Okay, repetition is not allowed. 14, 18, 20. Repetition is not allowed. 10, 14, if you will write two times, so it will be not, it is not allowed. You will write only one time. So this is how you will do your review exercise.